As we know, after delivery of baby, to feed the baby is also an essential part in mammal. So mammal having a pair of mammary gland, or we can say breast. So if we see the section of mammary gland, then we can say there are two different type of thing. One is the fat and second is a glandular tissue. So that part which we can say secrete the milk. So there are different we can say parts of this mammary gland if we see the section. So very first this complete mammary gland is divided into different mammary lobes. If you remember, there were different lobes present in the structure of testis. How many lobes were there? 250. And in one lobe there were 1, 2, 3 seminiferous tubule. These lobules are like that same. That means one body is divided into different lobules. So mammary lobules, there are 15 to 20 mammary lobules. Then in each mammary lobule there are many aruli. That means special kind of cell, they form the aruli. This aruli is same like we can say same type of aruli as present in a lungs. उसी तरह का जो structure है उसका cells का होता है. Then these aruli secrete the milk. These aruli secrete the milk and they store the milk in their lumen. Okay, now see this. This is the structure of aruli and this is the lumen of aruli. These aruli, these cells secrete the milk and they store milk here. They store milk here, and there is a lobule around this aruli. So there are 15 to 20 mammary lobules, and there are many aruli in a single lobule. So aruli will secrete the milk and store the milk in lumen. Then this aruli form a tube that is known as mammary tubule. That is known as a mammary tubule. Now many mammary tubule from we can say different aruli, they will form the mammary duct. Now this is the we can see a lobule. In lobule I have shown here two aruli, and in two aruli there is one mammary tubule, then other mammary tubule. Then different mammary tubule, they form the mammary duct. They form the mammary duct. Now different mammary duct from different aruli, they form a wider part or wider tube that is known as a ampulla. That is known as a ampulla. If you remember, in female reproductive system there were three parts of a fallopian tube, that is infundibulum, ampulla and isthmus. ओके, तो जो एम्पुला क्या था वहां पर वाइडर पार्ट था, सेम यही जो एम्पुला इज वाइडर पार्ट. देन दिस एम्पुला, दैट मींस देयर आर मेनी एम्पुला फॉर्म्ड बाय, देन दिस एम्पुला विल ओपन इनटू द वी कैन से लैक्टिफेरस डक्ट. लैक्टिव वर्ड आया लैक्टोज से. लैक्टोज इज द शुगर प्रेजेंट इन मिल्क. ओके, तो दिस इज lactiferous duct, and different lactiferous duct will open and form the nipple If you ever seen the structure of breast in front view, then this is the nipple, and there are many small pores are present in the nipple. They are known as we can say they are from the lactiferous duct, and around this nipple the breast is form a dark structure around the nipple is known as a areola. Okay, so this breast is divided into different mammary lobes. There are 15 to 20 lobes. In one lobe there are different we can say aruli secrete milk and store the milk in its lumen. Then these aruli form the mammary tubule. These mammary tubule form the mammary duct. Mammary duct will open into a wider part that is known as ampulla. Ampulla will open into lactiferous duct, and lactiferous duct directly open through the nipple, and the dark part around this is known as a areola. Okay, so this is the structure. These are the ribs. Okay, so this is the general structure of we can say section of mammary gland. So ये आपको सीक्वेंस फॉलो करना है. मेमोरी लॉब, then alveoli, then mammary tubule, mammary duct, mammary ampulla, lactiferous duct and a nipple. I think it's clear right now. Okay, thank you.